Yeah, hooray guys, I finally got my Google AdSense PIN sent to me from Google. It's been a major journey that I've been through for over the past few months now that I've been trying to go through this process, and it's been very difficult not being able to get this done as at when I was supposed to get it done. When my channel got monetized, I thought that was just all I needed to do. It was until I got a win that I needed to verify my address, and I saw that there was a reason for that, and that's because YouTube ends up sending some documents, some your plaque and everything to a particular address, so that address needs to be verified. I'd verified my payment, I needed to verify my address, but it was now difficult for me to be able to do that. And there's a pin that was a code, pin, personal identification number, that will be sent to that particular sent to me, and when I get access to that pin, I would insert it in my Google AdSense account, and then I'll be able to verify my address. And this took me a whole lot of trouble, and I believe you are watching this video because you've gotten through that particular issue at one point or the other. In this video, I'll be walking you through how I got mine done, especially if you're in Nigeria. And this is one of the major issues that we have in Nigeria because of the fact that our delivery system, the NIPOS system delivery ability, is limited to just their office. They mostly don't have arrangements whereby they can waybill your product or whatever you order through them to the address. For instance, mailbox is no longer available. Before now we used to have PO box, I think postal office box, right? That PO box, I used to have a particular number, and when you get anything, a parcel sent to you through that post office box, you would be able to get it at your address or that particular post office address you inserted. But in this case now, I couldn't get it done, so it was a major issue because my house doesn't have a postal address, and there was no postal address I could insert in the request of Google to be able to carry out this particular process. So what was the way forward? I had to go out and started making research. I watched several videos on YouTube, but it was not clear. I don't know why most people or most YouTubers are trying to make this information very, very scarce, and that's why I'm making a video for you guys that are coming up as just like me to be able to get access to this particular information and make use of it properly. Now, this is my journey. So when my YouTube channel got monetized, I was very happy. I thought that was the end, and I thought I could start earning and start withdrawing my money. But unfortunately, I needed to verify my address, like I mentioned initially, and I started making research after watching several videos on YouTube. No clear way on what to do. One video that I saw, I might be tagging the video in this video, I might be tagging that particular video, was a video that the lady talked about how she got to the post office, that is the NIPOS office, and she was able to pick her the PIN number, the Google AdSense verification. She was able to pick it up there, and she talked about how nice the person was and all. And even though that information sounds, but what information do I put that will make them? Should I just submit the document and go there to meet them? So I got confused. There was nobody I could ask questions to continue. So after to go ahead to the office of the NIPOS, even before completing the application for address verification, I asked them that, do they actually receive Google AdSense details, or do Google send them stuff through the NIPOS office? They say yes. So since I got wind of that, and I've been able to know the address of the NIPOS office in my locality or in my local government now, that is the one closest to me, what I did was simple. I went ahead and added the details. Now, take note of this. The zip code or the postal code that you supply is very, very crucial because it pinpoints to the geography around you. So most times it's advisable to go for the zip code or the postal code of the local government around you. So if you are in Abuja, for instance, and Gwagwalada is the local government area that you are in, or the, I think, municipal area, or what is it called in Abuja, now you have to just select the zip code, look for the zip code online of your current location and add it when submitting. Use your normal address and attach the zip code as well. So the zip code, I feel, was the major thing that allows them to be able to know where to send your address verification, right? So when I did that, the first one I did, I used another local government. I used my local government, but my local government is far, right? So I was expecting a call because most people told me that they were going to be calling me after they get the delivery of this. So I waited for the call. I didn't get the call. So I had to now do my research and now use a postal code that is closest to me, right? So when I use the postal code of the local government closest to me so that I could go and make verification easily to and fro, I then waited for it. After a period of time, I didn't get any call. So the first time I went on my research, I collected a number of one of the persons there, right? So when I called, the person asked me to come around so that we could check the document or parcels they have to confirm if mine has delivered. Unfortunately, I'll be sharing a video of how my encounter went with the person.
Ó ti pẹ́ tó ti sẹ́ndẹ̀ ní ẹlẹ́kejì tí mo máa ọ́dà ní tí mo máa ọ́dà fún first one mi mọ̀ bóyá gbé ibi wọn máa sẹ́ndẹ̀ táfà mọ́ mi postal code táfà mọ́ mi so ṣé the same thing náà ó yàtọ̀.
So when I got there, he asked for my name, and I told him my name. And when I told him my name, he asked me other details, my address, and I told him, and he said, okay, he looked for it. I immediately saw mine, and this is it. It was carrying my name and my address in detail, right? So this is it, carrying my name and my address in detail. I don't know if it's clear like this. I'll be scanning it and sharing it with you guys. So when I got there, I had to immediately, without wasting time, open it up. After opening it up, I could see the pin. So this is the pin. I believe you can see. So this is how it looks like. I'll be scanning it up and I'm putting my hand over the pin, right? Over the pin. So that was my pin and that was it. So once I inserted the pin, immediately the address was verified without any stress. Please come to this AdSense.com/AdSense/news. So some people, they would have sent them an email, right? So in the email you click, you get to this link. Okay, so this is what I have currently. So come click on this link, verification check. Zero. Complete. Mission complete. And one of the dangers of not verifying your address is because you can get demonetized if you don't fill in the necessary details for address verification in time. You might get demonetized and it might be difficult for you to get monetized back, and you don't want to waste your effort after you've invested so much time, resources, money, and now you've been monetized and you're happy about it, and get demonetized just because of the sole reason that you are not able to get a PIN. So I believe you understand what you are going to be doing. So it's very simple. The zip code or the postal code is very important, and make sure you have located the NIPOST office close to you. NIPOST office are all over Nigeria. So I would get in the description, I'll be dropping a link on the different location of all the NIPOST offices. And maybe an advice to YouTube, Nigeria for instance, I will advise them maybe they should use all these private owned delivery companies like DHL and the rest, so that they can deliver it to your own direct location. That way you can be sure and confident that when you get it is when you're going to be getting it, and you'll not be delayed by the different Nigerian factors that might be involved, right? So once you get the zip code and the postal code added to the address verification that you have sent, go ahead and get in contact with the postal or the NIPOST office. When you get to NIPOST office, make sure that you are friendly with them. Get someone number you can verify and they can help you confirm. Once they do that, some of them can be nice enough to even send your code to you, but it's not advisable to share the code. The code is your personal information. So it's quite simple and less stressful. I hope this video has helped someone. I hope you enjoyed the video as well. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. My name is Ezekiel, and I will see you in other videos. Thank you.